Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your iPhone is packed with powerful features that most people use every single day, yet some of its smartest tools remain completely hidden in plain sight. Apple designs many features to work quietly in the background, which means millions of users never realize how much their device can actually do. Today, we're uncovering some of the most useful hidden iPhone features that can instantly improve your daily experience. One of the most overlooked features is Back Tap. Hidden inside accessibility settings, this allows you to double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions like taking screenshots, opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, or launching apps. It feels almost like unlocking a secret button that most users never notice. Another powerful feature hiding in plain sight is live text. Your iPhone can recognize text directly from photos or even through the camera in real time. You can copy phone numbers from posters, translate foreign languages instantly, or scan important information without typing a single word. It turns your camera into a smart productivity tool. Many users also miss the built-in document scanner inside the Notes app. Instead of downloading third-party apps, you can scan documents, sign papers, and save professional-looking PDFs within seconds. For students, professionals, or anyone handling paperwork, this feature is incredibly useful. Background sounds is another hidden gem designed to help focus and relaxation. Your iPhone can play calming sounds like rain, ocean waves, or white noise directly from settings, helping you concentrate while working or sleep better without needing additional apps. Another feature most people accidentally discover is dragging multiple photos or files at once. By holding one photo and tapping others with another finger, you can move several items together between apps. It saves time when organizing content or sharing media. Safari also hides powerful tools. You can hold the tab icon to instantly close all tabs or reopen recently closed ones. Additionally, the ability to create tab groups helps organize work, travel, or personal browsing without clutter. Your iPhone also includes a built-in measurement tool through the Measure app. Using augmented reality, it can calculate distances and object sizes using only your camera, perfect when you don't have a measuring tape nearby. Another underrated feature is focus mode customization. Instead of simple do not disturb, you can create personalized modes for work, sleep, or driving that automatically filter notifications and even change your home screen layout. So, visual lookup allows you to tap on images of plants, pets, landmarks, or objects and instantly get information about them. It's like having a smart assistant built directly into your photo gallery. The truth is, your iPhone already contains tools that can replace multiple apps and simplify your daily routine. Once you start exploring these hidden features, you'll realize your device is far more powerful than it first appears, and many of its best abilities have been right in front of you all along. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.